when we collect samples for water analysis, it's really important that we leave them untreated. We do suggest that if there are suspended solids that you filter it to remove those solids, but in many cases, tannin-rich water or even particulate matter doesn't usually affect the water isotopes in any appreciable manner. Now, salinity, on the other hand, can create what are referred to as solvation shells or hydrospheres, and that can dramatically alter delta values. However, in most cases, if it's a brackish or a seawater, you want to record the impact that salinity is having on the delta value, so that's usually okay. We do recommend high-density polyurethane bottles and containers for sample collection. They should be filled to the top as best as they can. I think this is sort of a good example where it's filled to the top and then it's left with just the neck as a little bit of space for expansion. You know, if you were shipping this and it ends up going in a plane, or if you're collecting at a high altitude or low to high, you just want to make sure that the bottle, the water in the bottle has a little bit of room to expand, but not very much. But the ultimate and the most important point of collecting waters for water isotopic analysis is that you keep these free of any kind of evaporation. So we already talked about how closed basins and aridity can dramatically affect stable isotopes. So when you collect these waters, typically people will chill them. Long-term storage, people will freeze them. But ultimately, what you really want to do is just make sure that you're keeping this water free of any kind of excessive heat that could potentially cause the water to escape the vial, or in this case, the container.